Welcome back to our next session of guided meditation. Today, we are going to practice Yog Nidra. Yog Nidra instantly recharges and brings relaxation within you. In Sanskrit, Yog Nidra means yogic sleep. So, the rest that you get through this power nap is much more powerful than sleep because the relaxation takes place consciously. So, when we practice Yog Nidra, we take our attention to different parts of the body and relax them. This can be done by anyone and everyone. So, let's start with Yog Nidra. Find a quiet and comfortable space. Lie down on your back with your legs extended and arms by your sides. Palms are facing upwards. Close your eyes gently. You can use yoga mat or simply lie down on your bed or on couch or wherever you feel comfortable. Drop your body completely on the mat. Just relax yourself. Start by bringing your attention to your breath. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Again, take a deep breath in and breathe out completely. Begin to scan your body from head to toe. With each breath, bring awareness to different parts of your body, starting from your toes up to the head. Notice any areas of tension and consciously release it with each exhale. Your eyes will remain closed. Just listen to my voice and let's get started. Let's bring our concentration towards our legs. Try to concentrate and try to look at your toes, fingers, ankles, and the foot sole. Try to feel them with your closed eyes. Feel that the relaxation is moving into your legs. Just try to look at your legs with the closed eyes. From the toes and fingers, we are slowly moving up towards the calf muscles. Try to relax those calf muscles. Look at them with the closed eyes. You can feel your calf muscles, and the relaxation is moving from the toes and fingers towards the calf muscles. Release any discomfort or tension you are feeling right now into your calves. Just try to relax them completely. From the calf muscles, let's move up towards the knees. Try to look at your knees with the closed eyes and relax them completely. If you are feeling any sensation into your knees, try to release it. From the knees, we are moving up towards the thighs. Try to feel your thighs, the hamstrings, quadriceps. The muscles you have used in your workout or in any yoga practice. You can feel your thighs and you can look at them with the closed eyes. Now from the thighs, we are moving up towards the waistline. Try to look at your waist with your closed eyes. Feel them and relax them completely. Your whole concentration is on your body, on your waistline. You can feel that relaxation is moving from the toes up to your waistline. And now from the waist, we are moving that concentration towards our spine. You can feel all the three parts of your spinal cord: the lower back, middle back, and the upper back. You can feel that spinal cord in the middle. You are relaxing the discomfort or the tension from the spine. Drop your spinal cord on the mat completely. Just lose your spinal cord. Let it relax. From the spinal cord, now we are moving forward towards the stomach, your abdominal region. Try to relax your abdominal muscles, the internal organs. Try to feel your stomach with your closed eyes and feel that relaxation is moving from the spine towards your stomach. And from the stomach, now we are moving up towards the chest. You can feel, drop your shoulders completely on the mat. Just relax them. You are releasing all the stress, that pressure from your shoulders. And your shoulders will feel very light. Now from the shoulders we are moving towards our hands. The palms are facing upward and the fingers are naturally curved. Start relaxing your thumb, the fingers, your wrist, forearms, elbows, bicep, and the triceps. You can feel your arms with the closed eyes and you are relaxing them completely. The relaxation is moving from the toes now up towards your hands. And now from the hands we are moving our concentration up towards the neck. Try to feel your neck. Try to relax all the neck muscles. From the neck, now we are moving up towards the face. Now start looking at your chin. Relax it completely. Moving up towards the lips, the nose, eyes, eyeballs, your ears, your eyebrows, forehead, and all above your head. You can feel that relaxation into your whole body now, starting from the toes up to the head, and the relaxation is flowing from the head again down towards the legs. You will feel very light, active, energetic, positive, happy, and completely relaxed from the mind and the body. You have released all the stress, pressure, burden from the body and the mind. You can feel that calmness, that relaxation inside. Now slowly move your concentration towards your breath. Try to feel each and every breath you are taking in and throwing out of the body. You are breathing very slowly, taking deeper breaths, and your breathing is in rhythm. Now there are no thoughts in the mind and no movement in the body. You're enjoying this relaxation. Now slowly, let's come out of Yog Nidra. Start to bring gentle movements back into your body. Gently move your toes, your fingers, your thumb. Turn on any one side and sit on the mat. Come to a comfortable seated position. Bring your hands to your heart center. Acknowledge that tranquility within you. Thank yourself for taking this time. If you enjoyed this session, consider subscribing for more guided meditations and yoga practices. Thank you for joining me in this relaxation journey. Until next time, take care. Namaste.